Alrighty, let's see. We have another compound interest problem on our hands here, and for this one, we are depositing $15,000 into a savings account. We are earning 8.7 annual percent interest, and we are compounding this thing quarterly. That's going to give us some important values here. So let's get that down. P, my principal starting amount, $15,000. The R is my percent interest expressed as a decimal. So if I move this decimal place over 2 places to the left, I have a 0.087 as my rate. And N, if I am compounding quarterly, that means I'm compounding 4 times per year. So N will be my 4. The question is, how much money will I have in my bank account after T equals 3 years? So just like the last one, all we're going to do is we're going to take all of these values and plug them into their respective places in our formula here. So here we go. A is going to equal 15,000 times 1 plus 0.087 over 4 raised to the 4 times 3 power. And I'm going to type this into my calculator. Again, be careful with your parentheses. I would put parentheses around this fraction. I'd put parentheses around this exponent. And then you're going to crunch your numbers here. And actually, if you want, if you're not getting the answers that you're expecting, or at least what I'm showing on this video, what you can always do is you can kind of simplify these pieces. You can take this exponent, you can multiply 4 times 3, and you can say, all right, well, instead of using 4 times 3 in my calculator, I'm just going to write 12. Or you could figure out what this fraction is, and you could substitute that number in, or you could even simplify all the stuff that's inside your parentheses. However you want to do it is up to you. But you just want to be careful that you are telling the calculator the correct operations to use and when. But when you put all those numbers together, whether it's a calculator or in one step or several steps, you should come out with A equals $19,419 and 1 cent. So this is how much money you should have in your bank after 3 years of quarterly compounded interest. And there you go.